Chapter 1. Genealogical Structure, the Kinship System. A. Kinship. Uaris Concept. The Uaris Concept is connected with the foregoing relationships and is of particular importance in respect of family law and the law of land tenure. It has no connection with the law of inheritance, since this provides that the next of kin, either direct or collateral, or entitled to inherit the waris of a living person is the person of group most closely related to him, who live in the same region as the man himself and can act on his behalf in his absence. If a man has left his village and before doing so pledge his wits, then his waris, who remain in the village, can redeem them and use them as his own until the return of their owner. If a man dies and leaves a child and his brothers are not in a position to care for it, then the waris who lives in the neighborhood will take care of the orphan and the property of goods left with. The wari is entitled to redeem land that has been given by a bridegroom's father, who is closely related to him as a pledge for part of the marriage payment to the bride's father, etc. The extent of the Uaris relationship is not always easy to define, but as a rule it is limited to, say, 5 or 7 sundut. It depends on the nature of the matter to be settled, on the breadth of the kinship group around the person concerned, on the character of the conflicting interests, and also on local circumstances and ideas. If there are but a few members of a marga living in an area of another marga, then be referred to a far removed kinsman.